key challenges in exporting our product was finding a distributor that actually can take our product into particular markets and then find the opportunities within that market.
4 years ago, we were introduced with the Weathertex. Well, today we have an independent division in our company selling Weathertex exclusively across 10 countries.
Overseas, we have a business model which we tend to stick to, which is to find a local company that's selling like-minded, similar sorts of building materials. A family-run business, and India is an example of that.
We've got a mix of guests today with us. We've got flooring company owners, we've got cladding company owners, and I wanted to show these guys, who've been out there on the forefront selling Weathertex all this while. I wanted to see themselves what really happens out of a factory which looks like a war zone, maybe close to it, and look at the product which it delivers. It's 21st century product. I wanted them to gain the knowledge from the principals, and so far with the factory tour, they are loving it.
And where we've been successful in France and Holland and India and Abu Dhabi and other markets currently is that we've found very strong distributors that we've built strong relationships with that are able to take our product into those markets and find potential niche markets that they can sell and promote and market our product. Once we find distributors, our product, the uniqueness of it then sells itself.
It doesn't matter what kind of a market it is, but yes, there's always business that can be generated for Weathertex. It's just change of application. I think there is so much more to explore just within the country, India itself. There's so many more avenues to open, alternative installations, facades, cladding. Then we just got to double it up in all the other countries. There's so much of development happening in the Middle East.
Ranjit's an ideal distributor. He loves the product. He's very passionate about our product, and he can see the opportunities to continue to grow his business and coupled with the relationship that he has with Weathertex.
In the last 8 years, cladding has been taken as a very serious subject by architects, designers. What's beautiful about Weathertex is that it comes as an individual, as an independent contender, and there's nobody to contend. Exclusivity, uniqueness of the product, I think it's fun selling Weathertex.
Our plans for exports moving forward, we're cementing ourselves in the French and Holland markets, particularly in France as we've gained Avis Technique certification. We expect that market to double, if not triple, over the number of years ahead of us. Our India, Abu Dhabi, Iran, Iraq markets are growing significantly in the last couple of years with our natural board product. And one of the probably largest opportunities for us that we haven't entered into is the China market. We've set up a showroom in Shanghai, and we're working with the Export Growth Program with Australia to establish a number of customers, and we're quite excited about the opportunities that we've identified in the short term, and we can see that being quite a large growth area for us over the coming years.
How come this product is not there in US? Because it's crazy. Means I do sell a lot of products, but in terms of the number of complaints, it's the least, ease of usage, and the number of USPs, I think it's a great product.
If there's a distributor overseas that sees an opportunity for our product in the market, the best way is to make contact with myself or Paul and establish their expertise and their current operation to understand whether there's a market to take our product into and their actually ability to take the product into the market.